what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog. Last night I got back into Southern California because school starts on Monday. Depressing. But I am back in a small little room and ooh, there's a hair. Okay, I am back in a small little room and I need to try and make it a little more livable, a little more homey, so I can kind of see all my things and be able to use them. The last few months when I was living there during my last semester of school. I wasn't expecting to be there for as long as I am, so I didn't get a whole lot of things, and now I need to make it a home for myself. So our first stop is Bed Bath & Beyond. So let's head over there. We made it to Bed Bath & Beyond. I am here. I need one thing from here and then we are gonna go to Target, the motherland of everything. I found what I was looking for. I found it. It is 30 bucks and it's gonna work perfect for like kitchen stuff. So this is what I needed. Great. Alright, got it in there. Alright, so I got what I needed from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I just, like when I was trying to get my keys, I forgot I had this, so I'm kind of pissed, but you know, it's fine. It was only like 32 bucks. Wasn't too bad. I was gonna go to the Target that's by where I live, but there's one right there. So let's see what we can find there, and hopefully I don't need to make another trip. Alright, so I'm in Target and I'm looking at towels. Towels are expensive, but I think, yeah, damn, they're expensive, but I kind of want a big one. That wasn't on my face. I kind of want a big one. I think I'm gonna go gray. But I can find it. Ooh, hello lighting. I've got my list here. Tiny handwriting, lots of things. So let's see what we can find. Okay, this one I can't just pick up and throw in the cart. This might take a minute. Nailed it. Kitchen things. Let's see, what kitchen things do we need? We need this. Is there even room in the cart for this? No. We need that. We need ice trays. So let's go pink and gray. These are cute. They're also cheap, so that's why we're doing this. Alright, pink and gray. Can you tell that we have a color scheme going? Let's see, what else do we need? Okay. Again, pink and gray. And then get 2 of these. Well, I think that's all the kitchen-y stuff we need, except I need pots and pans too. But that I think we'll get at Walmart when we go grocery shopping. I have some bowls. Alright, let's try and find what we need next. Is this cart full enough yet? The answer is no. No, it's not. Oh god, I really don't want to hit people with this. We need, I think, maybe 1, We need a few more things. We'll see. We got an empty cart. Boom. Got it. I think. That was... No, it was not. We'll be back with more things in our Target cart. Hey you guys. So, I'm out of breath because I just carried everything in here. I am back home from Target. I spent so much money at Target. Like so much money at Target. But yeah, so everything is now in here. And I have like, oh, there's a garbage bag, fun. But stuff, really heavy. So I think I'm going to take a second of a break, turn something on, eat some breakfast, get something to drink, and then we'll start setting it up. So, yay! Alright, I'll see y'all later. What's up guys? So yes, I've changed. My hair is up in a bun because I have a sweaty ass mess. But I have Dr. Mike on in the back. I'm watching YouTube as I'm doing this. I built, you can't even see it. Here. I built my little cart and I have my bowls and my silverware. And I'm gonna put more stuff in here. And then I took my fridge out and I plugged it in. This is a Spider-Man child's Halloween candy basket. Whatever. And then my coffee maker because I live off of caffeine. So yeah, this is what I have so far. A lot more space on the floor now. Kind of, I mean, there's so much garbage over there. My bed is filled with garbage and things. But yeah, so I think my next plan is to clear out this section over here where my whiteboard is, and then I have like, can you even see that? Yeah, I've got like pots and pans and a box full of like school supplies. So that's my plan, is to clear that out and then build the bookshelf. You can't even. To build the bookshelf and put it hopefully in here. I think it'll fit in this section from the edge of here to the wall. I mean, that my whiteboard's in the way, but it's essentially my TV to the wall. I think that, I don't know, we'll see. I think it'll fit there hopefully, and then we can start organizing all of that, putting all my school stuff there, books, and then I think, which we'll see how it ends up, but I think I want to use this bookshelf that I already have so much stuff on, put most of it over there, and then like in the cart over here, maybe on top of the fridge. But I think I want to have this be like, you know, full of like stuff that's fun, like probably my camera equipment and like my little pops. They're so cute. I'm in love with them, and I have more too. I got 2 more while I was home, so I think I'll just have like my little pops, little toys, and probably most of my mugs and cups, because I have so many mugs and cups. I love mugs and cups. How many times am I saying mugs and cups? But yeah, so that's what we're doing now. So I'm gonna finish putting that together, and then I'm gonna build that, and then we'll see where we end up. But I kind of want to get all of this done today. I had 3 bins, which they're all under, those are just plastic bags, you can't fucking see it, but I got 3 bins when I was home, and I packed most of my stuff in them, and so I have 1 bin that's full of like toy stuff, not toys, but like board games and my pops and my Polaroid and like fun stuff. And so I think I'm gonna, not think, but I'm gonna have to unpack that and put that out and then use that for more storage. So let's get this over with. Alright, well that's it for today's video. I know it was kind of boring, so if you made it this far, thank you, and I'm sorry. But for Friday's video, it should be a little more entertaining. I'm going to show you guys some of the building process and the organization process and just the way that everything looks, and I'll show you the room before I built everything and organized and what it looks like afterwards. So make sure you tune in for that on Friday. I know it was boring, but if you liked this video, make sure you like it so I know, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. It would help me out a lot, and I will see you all next time. Bye!